Flintshire Dancefest is always a highlight of my year. Perfect. I'm working in 10 different schools, ranging from a nursery school, foundation phase, class 1, class 2, going all the way to the end of junior school and secondary school. Fantastic. Marcus, look. Oh, much better turn. The school tell us their theme and we work our sessions around that to create material that will enhance their curriculum.
I like it because it's fun. I like the dance because we all will have to work together to do the dance. The dance is so good because we're dancing with Jamie and all our friends.
New Dance has a team of professional dance tutors, and on this particular project we have 6 of our team who go out and build up special relationships with the teachers and pupils in each school.
We've done a boys project this year, and we've based all the boys projects on the theme of transport. So we've looked at the journeys and how they move and ways of moving that transport does. So sort of swerving of cars and flying of planes. Ready, 5, 6, 7, go. Oh, nice. Good, lovely positions, really nice ones.
I felt brave enough to have a go. I just felt like doing it because I like dancing.
I just wanted to try something new in my life.
Oh, very good.
As equally important as the performance is the process. One of our New Dance team goes out, meets with a group, builds their confidence, decides on a theme with the teachers, and the piece is created by the children.
Amazing, well done. Perfect.
I'm proud of myself.
We don't go in with a taught dance routine. We never go in with something that they've seen on television. The children work with our tutors and they devise a movement pattern, and that is then skillfully choreographed and wrapped up into the finished product. So the children have ownership they have created.
I've never actually done anything like this before, and I found it really interesting, absolutely fascinating. They have to follow each other, they have to adapt and make changes if someone makes a mistake. It's just general good teamwork all the way around, builds the self-esteem up so they're actually promoting physical health, and it's good as well for boys to actually get introduced into this type of dancing, and it sort of sets them up for life really to carry on doing this type of activity. It's been absolutely phenomenal, really enjoyable.
It's quite amazing actually, because first to start we started off with like a little dance, and then it's come together part by part to make a better dance, a bigger, better dance. I like dancing, but I don't believe in myself. I think I really can't dance, but now this makes me know that I can dance.
I enjoyed that it's not just you being told what to do. Other people can say their ideas and it'll be added into the dance.
I don't really think I could dance until I came here, and it's made me really more confident.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you hold him there, and then you two walk through, bring this leg through.
New Dance works with Flintshire to provide activities for Dancefest as part of its service level agreement. But because there are so many schools involved, we also draw down funding from other sources which make this huge project possible. We're also very glad that we're able to include high schools, secondary schools, and we're very grateful for PES funding for that.
Great to see all you fantastic
women being so strong and healthy. I just adore it. Yeah, fabulous, fabulous.
Right, really good. We just need, I think what we need is a crossover with the balls, because there's a lot of music before that beat comes in. And then the girls will get the whistle. Okay, bring that.
For each child in Flintshire, this is a marvellous opportunity to come into this fabulous theatre and perform. It is an unforgettable experience.
Boys, are you ready? Okay, everybody on stage then. So if you're on at the beginning, Mackenzie's group, stay on the space. Everybody else go off over there.
The staff are really involved with everything that we do. We look forward to that time of year coming round again. It's definitely given the staff more confidence to deliver their own dance sessions. It's certainly more enthusiastically approached in school.
They show a developing sense of confidence. They look after each other, they care for each other, their language skills develop, and of course physically it hits and ticks every box on the health agenda.